it's Nørgaard.
Hi, and it's Christella.
I'm here with my friend Christella, and I did her makeup today, so this is the look we're doing today.
With Mermaid.
Mermaid Glam.
Yeah, this is so beautiful. She really did a beautiful job. Yeah, look at this.
We also filmed a video for Christella's channel, so I'll link that down below.
Go ahead and see, guys.
Go
after
subscribe.
After
you watch the transformation.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Eyeshadow primer.
Beautiful. Y'all, I'm not good at wearing makeup. You decide. You just do your magic.
Okay, we can start with the blue.
So maybe we should do the
hand
thing.
We're just gonna yeah, look at that. Blue.
So
KKW.
beautiful. KKW.
Yeah, KKW.
Wow.
I'm gonna try it without spraying it.
So why do you use the spray? Well,
just to make it more
popping?
Yeah.
Ah.
And no fallout. Okay, so we're gonna do it a little more aggressively now. Since there's no fallout. Okay, so you want to do round or you want to do winged out?
I don't ever wear it, so you just do your thing.
Okay, maybe we're gonna do round. Yeah, I think you can do it because you have very like upward turned eyes, so it should be fine. And let's do the other one. So you ever wore blue eyeshadow before?
Never.
Never? Not even once?
No, actually no. I'm a very neutral girl, so. You always start with the eyeshadow?
Yeah, when we're gonna do blue, we're gonna start with the eyeshadow. Because you already have some.
Oh, wow.
A little bit. But we're gonna clean it up.
This is exciting. Should we have turned some of the light on so that it's not that dark?
In the background?
Yeah. Yeah, it's
better. Yeah, that looks better. Yeah.
Much better.
Okay, light blue. Oh, it's so dusty. I've never used this color before.
You should have done my wedding makeup.
Who did your wedding makeup? You had someone professional?
Yeah, I did, but I don't remember her name.
So was it good? You liked it?
Yeah, it was nice. Okay. It was very nice. But expensive.
Yeah? You trust what I'm doing?
I'm trusting you completely with my face. Wow, your makeup is so pretty.
Hopefully yours will be too. You just said I'm done today, the eyebrows?
No, yesterday?
Yesterday, okay.
You haven't done any makeup for weddings or something?
No, never.
Romantic.
I feel like on the brow one it's gonna be too dark. But I don't like this color.
Yeah, that's too pinkish.
But this one is gonna be way too light on you, I think.
Yeah. What about in this KKW? Oh, this is beautiful. All the colors. This is amazing.
I feel it's gonna be too dark.
Okay.
Yeah.
You know what you are doing.
Hopefully. I can also do your powder. You want to do your powder on your brow bone or?
Just try everything. I've never I'm just putting my face in your hand. This is the struggle, I'm telling you. Being black, the struggle is real. Imagine how difficult it is to find a color that suits my skin tone.
Yeah, it's too ashy, I think. It almost turns grey, you know?
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it looks like this on my hand.
Crazy.
Yeah.
That one? Yeah.
Can I just open it? Is it gonna explode?
No, don't open it
don't
like
open
that.
Okay.
Like
that.
so.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Otherwise, you will be having it all over the floor, the pants, and everywhere. Maybe it's too light.
It might be too light. Let's see. Oh, it's pretty light.
It's very light.
Wow, trying to find the highlight color is
It's crazy.
Wanna do this? Maybe? I think that's gonna be...
I don't... Yeah, just try it.
It's just very shimmery. So you're gonna have a shimmery lid and you're gonna be shimmery on the brow bone. But we can do it.
Rise and shine.
Christella's own highlight. Okay, we're gonna try with some pink and see
Yeah, if it works.
how it turns out.
Let me have something to eat.
This is gonna be too light. This one. I think that's gonna be too red. I think I wanna do the more purple pink. You ever want pink eyeshadow?
Never. Think about my neighbors. If they're watching through the window. And they will have something to watch. Yeah. It's all good.
Wanna do glitter?
Yeah. Why not? Why not? Wow, that is something else.
I think we're gonna do glitter, this one.
Yeah. So where did you learn doing makeup? YouTube?
Yeah, YouTube. Gonna do these lashes. We're gonna cut one off. Yeah, we're gonna cut one more, I think. You ever worn false lashes before?
I actually wore them on my wedding.
Okay.
Yeah. But they were like very neutral.
I think that's better.
Yeah.
Because if you're not used to wearing them, you don't want to wear them too big because they're gonna irritate your eye.
Oh, it's blue.
It's gonna turn black.
Wow.
You don't want to do it when it's too wet or it's gonna seep into your eye and that's gonna hurt.
Oh.
Yeah.
Have you tried it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, you
like
don't want to do
red
that.
eye.
And your eye will water. Yeah, it's terrible.
Oh.
Okay, how does it feel?
Feels nice actually.
It feels nice.
Yeah. The first, wow. Very dramatical. Beyonce who? You don't wear lashes every day?
No.
How about at school?
Yeah, sometimes.
At uni?
Yeah. Sometimes it can irritate my eye, you know. I don't have a primer. Oh. Okay.
What is a primer?
For your face.
Is it necessary or?
No, not necessarily.
Okay. So it just like making your face more healthy or?
Yeah, or just make it more hydrated or more matte, or what kind of skin type do you have?
It's very oily-ish.
Yeah. My skin is very oily as well.
Yeah, I don't usually use it, so I think it's okay.
Yeah.
Oh. Should we just remove this?
Oh yeah, for sure. Very nice that your brows are already done. So let's blend it out.
Wow.
How much foundation you usually wear?
I think
1
like
pump?
that. Yeah.
1 pump, okay.
I should think a half pump.
Half a pump? Usually?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Oh, it's so funny to do this on someone else. Oh my goodness.
Isn't it fun?
But this is like humongous on your face. It's so big on your face.
The sponge?
Yeah, the sponge.
Yeah.
So you use the tip or you use the butt of the sponge?
The tip actually.
Yeah.
But I think I just change it around and Just see how it works.
To get up for this. You do contour or?
Yeah, usually actually.
Okay.
So contour is the dark places. No.
So you do the highlight?
Yeah, I do the highlight. Do the triangle and then here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You do the center?
Yeah, and here and then here.
Yeah,
and then
okay.
Here. Yeah.
So you do one thing at a time or?
No, I just do.
You do the whole thing?
Yeah, the whole thing.
Okay. Together. Okay, you want to bake or?
Yeah, I think so.
Do you usually bake or?
No, I just put it
just
on and then
bit.
yeah. When it's on YouTube, you have to bake. How about here on the side?
Oh yeah, on the side, yeah. So you use this?
That's the only brush I have, like for everything actually.
And you use this powder all over the face usually, or just?
No, just here.
Just there.
And then yeah.
Okay.
So. Okay.
Okay, hold on. Finished look. The camera kept on cutting off, so we went ahead and did the lips and the lower lash line.
This is a new look for me, but I actually think it's cute actually. Yeah, with the colors and everything.
So if you like the look, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and Christella's channel as well.
This was so much fun to do actually, and you opened my eyes
for the colorful life.
For the colorful life. Take care. Bye.
Bye.